Hello, my name is Selena King, and this is the Interactive Advanced Concept for Week 3 for Chemistry 2, Chem 126. I'm going to show you the video of the experiment as I am describing what is happening currently, but you're going to have to bear with me because I forgot to shake it a little bit to get the chemical reaction going, and then also I forgot to flip over the water bottle on the top end where the cap is to create that rocket explosion launch thing. But you'll understand the gist of what I'm trying to say and then understand what should have happened, but it did work and you have to bear with me. So here goes. So again, this is Interactive Advanced Concept for week 3. Here's the video. So right now there's some vinegar in that bottle, which we needed. So we needed a plastic bottle, paper towel with some baking soda in it. The water bottle has vinegar in it, and then we're supposed to screw in the cap really, really quickly. You'll see I come back to shake it, but and I forgot to flip it over, but again, you'll get the gist of it. So what is happening? So when the baking soda and vinegar are mixed together, the reaction produces the water and carbon dioxide gas. In the capped water bottle, the carbon dioxide gas builds up until the pressure of all of the gas that's contained in that water bottle eventually builds up and the pressure can't be contained anymore. It pops off. And you'll see eventually that it opens, and as of right now, it's starting to build, it's starting to bubble. When I do come back and shake it again, the bottle is getting harder and harder, so again, it's filling up with more gas. The pressurized carbon dioxide then quickly escapes the bottle through the open top that popped open because of the chemical reaction. And this is how the chemical reaction provides the thrust or the boom that it needs to be able to launch if it was flipped over on its other side. Trying to read my notes. See that I shake it again, and then it eventually pops up. So if it would have been flipped over, it would have been okay. So yeah, that kind of is what happens. Thanks for watching, and again, it was kind of a failed experiment, but at the same time it ended up working, just not working like I wanted it to, or it should have, just because I didn't get that rocket launch effect, but we did get a big boom, and it did scare me, to be honest. So yeah, thanks for watching.